这个螺丝不要拆了，你就拿着这个稍微旋转一点啊。
Just pull out the base of the rotary
这样拿到这个位置是不是？拿到这个位置，我这拆这
to
个
this position. 也可以说可以。
把这个螺丝拆了。
And lose this screen.
这边好看一点。
And then lose the other screen. And then pull out the base, and on the customer's machine it have the wire on it.
然后进行焊接的时候，是不是？然后我们就这个就是拿着。
And now let's weld the base housing again.
那斜着，让这个稍微辅助一点点。
Use your hand to hold the housing in the right correct position
这个是焊接，
and weld it.
这样稍微往那边斜一点点。
You must to take care yourself when you welding it.
这个问题我们就解决了。
Okay, and then install the rotary base again. 然后就装回去就好了，因为它原本这个线就拉的嘛。
对，它后面有线在装。
On the customer's machine, it will have the cable connect the rotary base, so it won't drop up, and you just need to put it back to the position and lock the screen.